Hi, Dr. Ricardo Mejia with Jupiter Dermatology and Hair Restoration. I'm the treasurer of the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery and on the board of governors. And today I am in Lisbon, Portugal, teaching and learning from all the colleagues internationally at our annual meeting. But more importantly, we're launching off our World Hair Transplant Repair Day on November 11th, 1111. Now this is a day where surgeons all across the world come together and perform pro bono surgeries to victims or patients that have become victim of the illegal black market or places where doctors are not performing the surgery. And unfortunately, follicular unit excision, or FUE, has become a procedure where doctors just let somebody else do it and they don't do the surgery. This program is part of our Fight the Fight campaign. FIGHT, which stands for Fraudulent Illicit Global Hair Transplants, which is unfortunately the problem that we're in today, where one doctor probably is supervising 10 technicians and he's not even doing the surgery. Internationally, we have 24 global council societies around the world that have come together in a unified voice to spread the message of proper hair transplantation and to ensure that doctors are performing the surgery and not just a random person that has been taught to do this procedure in the last week. So 1111 is going to be our recurring annual event to provide this service to patients because it's becoming more and more of a problem. So every year, the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery and doctors around the world will band together to provide services for patients that have unfortunately fallen into the wrong hands.